there is one thing I forgot that's important. So when you look at these two reactions here, so you are forming solid copper. No, sorry. We got to go up. You are forming solid copper in this battery, okay? Right? The copper ions are turning into solid copper. So with this battery, what's going to happen is you are going to get copper plating on that electrode. Okay, and that's why you usually want to have the same electrode as your metal. Okay, because if your electrode was made out of platinum, I mean, it's not the end of the world, but you're putting copper all over platinum, and platinum is a more valuable metal than copper. Okay, that's another reason why you don't typically use silver or gold electrodes unless you really have to, because then you're coating your silver with gold. I mean, coating your silver with copper, and copper is less valuable than silver. On the other side, what's happening to your zinc? You got your zinc electrode over here. Zinc solid is being turned into zinc aqueous. So your electrode over here is actually going to start dissolving away. So this one's going to become less in mass, and this one's going to become more in mass. So sometimes they'll ask you which electrode will become heavier. And the copper electrode, in this case, is going to become heavier because the solid copper is going to be plating onto that. Okay? And then down here, the opposite situation is occurring during the electrolysis. Here I'm turning solid copper into aqueous copper, so my anode is going to actually dissolve away. So if you leave that in there, your electrode is going to just slowly disappear, because it's going to get smaller and smaller and smaller. Vice versa, on the other side, you're going to be turning aqueous zinc into solid zinc. This thing is going to get heavier and heavier with solid zinc forming on the outside of it. Okay, it's a small thing, but it's an important point because a lot of times they'll ask, hey, what's going to happen? Which electrode is going to get heavier? Okay,